Heat guns have moved beyond workshops into kitchens where precision matters most. The best heat gun for cooking delivers controlled hot air for tasks like perfectly caramelizing sugar, finishing sous vide meats, or melting chocolate without a mess. Whether you're a home cook experimenting with new techniques or a pro looking for reliable tools, these options bring power and control right to your countertop. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT Classic Heat Gun. This solid performer from DEWALT feels like a trusted kitchen companion once you get used to its straightforward design and surprising versatility around food. The LCD display lets you dial in temperatures in neat 50-degree increments so you can hit exactly the right heat for toasting meringues or gently warming delicate sauces without scorching them. Built-in overload protection automatically steps in if things get too intense, which gives peace of mind during longer cooking sessions where you might forget to monitor it closely. The hang ring makes storage easy in a crowded kitchen drawer or on a hook, while the cord protector prevents fraying from repeated use near counters. Its innovative kickstand keeps the tool stable when set down between tasks, avoiding accidental tip-overs that could damage surfaces or create safety issues. The ergonomic comfort grip feels good, even after extended periods of aiming hot air at a roast for that perfect crust, or shrinking packaging around homemade gifts. At just 2.3 pounds with a compact build, it won't tire out your wrist during intricate work like browning the top of a casserole or loosening stubborn residue from bakeware. Build quality stands out, with durable housing that handles kitchen humidity well. For home cooks who want something reliable without fancy bells and whistles, this model offers excellent value. Though the corded nature means you stay near an outlet, it shines in practical applications like drying herbs quickly, reheating tortillas for pliability, or even helping set glazes on pastries. Minor limitations include the lack of cordless freedom and slightly louder operation than some quieter alternatives, but these don't detract much from its overall dependability in a busy kitchen environment.
Number 2. DEWALT D26950 Heat Gun. Serious cooks who value adjustability often reach for the DEWALT D26950 because its variable temperature control adapts smoothly to different recipes and techniques without guesswork. You can fine-tune the heat output precisely, whether you're crisping the skin on chicken, melting cheese evenly on nachos, or softening butter for baking. Overload protection kicks in reliably to safeguard the heating element during intensive use, preventing burnout even if you push it on thicker items. The built-in hang ring and kickstand combo make it effortless to store or rest safely between passes over food surfaces. A cord protector adds longevity by shielding against wear from kitchen movement, and the ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during projects that require steady aiming, like torching creme brulee or drying out fruit slices for garnishes. Weighing only 2.1 pounds keeps it maneuverable for detailed work. Separate internal components allow easier maintenance down the line, which appeals to frequent users who want the tool to last through years of kitchen experiments. Performance feels consistent across various tasks, delivering strong airflow that speeds up processes like reviving stale bread crusts or helping chocolate seize properly for tempering. Advantages include its robust construction that withstands occasional splatters and its ability to handle both low and high heat demands effectively. Ideal users range from weekend warriors trying molecular gastronomy tricks to professionals needing a dependable backup for busy service. Build quality impresses with tough materials that resist kitchen wear.
Number 3. Makita HG6530 VK Heat Gun. Professional-grade performance meets kitchen creativity in the Makita HG6530 VK, where push-button temperature control spanning 122 to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, paired with an LCD readout, gives you exact command over heat for everything from delicate chocolate work to bolder searing applications. 3 airflow settings via a slide switch add versatility, letting you choose gentle cooling after high heat, or powerful streams for faster results on larger surfaces. Increments of 50 degrees F ensure you never overshoot when aiming for that flawless sugar crust or perfectly melted cheese pull. Its compact 2.0-pound body with a rubberized pistol grip feels balanced and comfortable during prolonged use, while the integrated rear stand allows safe hands-free pauses. Cooks love it for vehicle wrap-style precision, but adapted brilliantly to culinary needs like stripping old seasoning from cast iron, thawing pipes under sinks indirectly related to prep, loosening stuck residues, or remelting adhesives on kitchen tools. It handles bending plastic wraps or sheets for custom molds too. Strengths lie at its wide temperature range and reliable build that holds up in steamy environment. Ease of use comes through intuitive controls that become second nature quickly. Ideal for serious home enthusiasts or caterers who need one tool for multiple jobs without switching. Minor limitations include its corded operation and slightly higher price point, but the performance justifies it for those who cook frequently.
Number 4. RIWELF Cordless Heat Gun. Freedom from cords makes the RIWELF a game-changer for cooks who move around the kitchen or work outdoors at barbecues and events. Its high-quality ceramic core heats rapidly with a clear LCD screen showing real-time temperature and airflow details from 50 to 600 degrees Celsius and 50 to 250 liters per minute, perfect for adjusting on the fly while browning steaks or melting toppings. Dual safety features including overheat and low voltage protection, plus a smart 6-second delay cooling extend its life and keep things safe around flammable ingredients. Hands-free switch lock and memory function for last settings boost efficiency during repetitive tasks like batch pepping shrink-wrapped snacks or softening fondant. Compatible with Milwaukee M18 batteries, 5 amp-hours plus recommended, it leverages existing tools for convenience as a third-party option without including the battery. 4 nozzles expand its uses for heat shrinking, adhesive work, paint removal on old equipment, and car wrapping. But in cooking, it excels at precise applications like torching meringue, reviving dried herbs, or loosening rusted pan hardware. Build quality feels sturdy despite the cordless design, with good ergonomics for extended comfort.
Number 5. SEEKONE Heat Gun. Everyday cooks appreciate the SEEKONE for its straightforward power and thoughtful features that simplify advanced techniques at home. With 1,800 watts of strength and 2 modes reaching up to 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit quickly, it handles rapid tasks like charring vegetables for smoky flavor or shrinking bags for sous vide efficiently. The large LCD display combined with power-on memory keeps your preferred temperature and speed ready without constant resets, and the unique Celsius-Fahrenheit toggle adds convenience. Overheat protection and power-off delay cooling enhance safety and durability, especially useful when working near oils or sugars. Its scientific ergonomic design reduces strain during longer sessions, such as stripping old paint from kitchen furniture, bending piping for custom setups, lighting charcoal, or drying and thawing items swiftly. Lightweight construction makes it easy to wield precisely for removing rusted bolts on appliances, softening caulk, molding plastics, or 3D printing food-safe elements. Strengths include fast heat-up, clear controls, and broad application range that extends well into cooking experiments. Minor limitations might involve fan noise during cool-down and reliance on a cord, yet reliability shines through. Ideal for DIY-minded foodies or those expanding their kitchen skills.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.